Land encroachers from Nagaon district posing threat to territorial integrity of West Karbi Anglong. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers. Welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. You're with Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now let's have a look at the news in details. Locals of the Tengkara Langso area under Dwaramla MSC constituency has expressed deep concerns and fears, claiming that 500 meters of land under West Karbi Anglong district have already been encroached and illegally occupied by groups of people from Nagaon district. This not only poses threat to the territorial integrity of Karbi Anglong district, but also to the peace and security prevailing in the area. Tengkara Langso villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that there is a new threat to the boundary of West Karbi Anglong district as huge area have been under encroachment carried out by people from Nagaon district. Villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that this area has been in use for various purposes including cultivation and farming since their ancestors and belongs to them. Their land is now under threat since encroachment activities was carried out by some people who claim that they have orders issued by Joint Forest Management District Committee under Nagaon District DFO, the villagers say.
Tony non kedol ke Dwaramla constituency lo Tengkara Langso pohawar long sidolo lapen pinini lidak ke bang nang lapen dak nang ke lekel han lo je labang so hawar alo aprang pen Karbi tum sai tiki bom ang long arit along pini lapen non kengsang sotum labang so arit Karbi tum sai tiki bom along le hawar lo uthot nang ki thidun thu kapang cheng la puson alam ki non nang klang thulo labang so hawar lo nisi pini dak rong arat tum penje rangke tum panange phapana patini dun lam theke la han lo je labang so rong long Karbi tum methang Karbi tum methang along le long check to elo lapen kuwe rong se elo lapen for example sai system itu ki bom lo konstame nona bangke kengsang so tum puthot labang so long le long bangke itu malong le bukan azol labang so itu itang so tang podan stame kengsang so tum si non kacerai tapson si non dak tang dolo si non ni ligar jap ke lake ahoy dim lo lake ahoy lo lake Karbi Anglong pen Nagaon district ahoy lo konstame lapu pen non lapu bang si kengsang so tum bangke na kap lo labang so ne kap long si Karbi tum itu itang so tang long le hilang along nakadu ka bista mi kacerai di kan silang itu non siglo disik kan silang bom lo bang bom si Karbi tum itu itang kiti ya red lo an melang itu non bang bom lai ka bista mi kacerai la son si lo la si non pin la dak arong ora tum kinu ka tidak kacing mai sai deng lo labang so cing mai sai long kan pisar arni kan pisar hutan stami labang so red labang so anglong ke halas hutan stami sai tiki bom lapen labang so along le ke Karbi Anglong le ko halabang so arni kan stami isi kapatini yang tek pramen stami do besila ahoy long non ke do bangke lak labang so ahawar long kan kap ke de fangsi dak ni tingwai long konstami labang so tingwai long pa tun di mala ben tun ti mala bang so patak stamin tum long so di penar di pont long ji lasi Karbi Anglong la filang ra ton stami isi berta lo la lapson tak si non puthot long le lam kinai klang la Nagaon district ben Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong district ahoy lam ki puthot nei klang long itu Karbi Anglong Rizapon Council long KCCM pen kedang lok IM la pen MP kedu itu on stami non labang so lam kinai klang lo kemisian asai ke deng don pen methang along le methang ahawar itu ngecerai kom tek ji afang labang so hawar rong ra itu ki sung alam itu monolong so pen
An elderly man of the village told Karbi Anglong Live that border pillars were erected in the area in 1951 to 1952, but some miscreants from Nagaon unearthed and demolished them all at night in 1975, and therefore encroachment attempts started from those times.
Pilar ke komentuan ni sila alang le tumben kapahin no.
Pun ke 75 et la dom hu.
lasod bang pilar pheng do ponthule
la kapahin no labang so kapa
Aju si wang wang ke la tung ke.
ajo seva
ajo bang si pilar
Ni do ko ke wang we.
kan te labang so de malong ke ado an bag long le si nang lut
Aju di mana no thi du thom bak do tung.
kali labang so long le jak bang
Aja wang
kilometer kan bag do
kilometer dak pe ho to 500 meter bak do dak pe ke ho.
500 meter ba ang kangke lang tumang cerai dele di sang so tum si
anten nalit tumahin pen nona por bang alang litum han kopilo kamat haji ke
kamar saya mana tunggu lah itu mah hawar pun juga hawar long nang pun hawar long nang pun non ini pernah lo hai via ni pen itu dak hawar ke tiki sai ke tiki inglong irit ke pan nasi itu enang soji
Villagers told that, 1. Madan Suba is the mastermind behind this encroachment and all activities are carried out under his order.
Dak parok tum nang ke mane alang litum bang ke cek inhin pine buguri dah ho sigun tha ani hang ling sinang iya dak asona ja
tela bangso long le long ke aprang ke nang li si chu song
aprang mane ni litum ke phusar fisar ar ni pen tani tum ka hawar ke chodim lo ha aprang mata hawar nang chobom lo chotiki bom lo pine nempo pine tang ho lason soksu pine ta aprang mata nang chonong ik bom lo choklem ik bom lo on ta choklem bom lo
tela bangso akhiti nang ke aparo phan mang mate akeng sang phan nang li hin pen ko kilo pudun ke
nili laso iri mudan subah pula so parok mena bangke nili bujai ikpil lo lasor ni ta nili thanun iglo je nang li lason men pen ke bang lason nili tu mahawara long along para long lason nang ke thap nang ke prula ke ne kachi bhong alam me mandep lo aro la he ke aprang pen da nang li tanang chini je ni tum dak karbi aso se hawar long pat ha ko pen nang choera dim ku puson si nang li ke hai la son men pen nang li tum rong asor pen bang pen la happy ni nang ke thap nang ke thu ke la son ke nang li chok che jat le nang li claim ji pusita ni li tum ta rong asaru basar do mate nil tum pine la son committee pine ne la hai do apot jat pen sita rat pen sita nang li chingwai ching sai pen la hai akam claim nang men pen lang son nang li nang claim nang ni li pudun lo
Social worker Lipson Bay told Carbing Life that Tenkara Langso villagers had reached out to him and informed about the encroachment and have sought his advice and help in order to reach out the higher authority for immediate action as it relates to security and territorial integrity of Karbi Anglong district.
Lasi nilitum Karbilo Charlie Song ahin pen lapen ako dak nilitum 2019 ke seng pondo dak Tenkara Langso hawar nim pangria mei pen nilitum chingwai lo lasi nilitum labangso adu hoy labangso homoisa abangke sthai khomadhan nangji pubangke nilitum phongtin da hangpon lo nilitum interstate border punon lapen interdistrict le punon nilitum pu Meghalaya lapu jirekendeng pu umkhirmi lapuna thupunoi lapen apar ke lapu aparchin thong lapunar aduya hoilam pustame nilitum aphong Karbing Long Autonomous Council lapen Assam Sarkar phansame nilitum aphong pachini lo lapen memorandum stame pilo lasi nilihin pen non Karbing Long Autonomous Council ACM aphan kachuningri kangtung mate ka pachini kangtung alam thekala puhenlo alang litum MP election aprang 2019 MP election aprang latum manifesto long do manifesto long alang itung kapaklang la ke nili not bini labang ke border kisung alam apot penak pot nili la sipachini po lasi alang itung labang so adu yo hoye putang alam inter district lapen inter state putang alam same nili tum BJP asarkar haidet lo pulote nilitum la inter state lapen inter district homoisa adu hoy homoisa bangke nilitum pilo la bangke sthai homadhan kuri po pulo same piniar nianta nilitum inter state lapen inter district lipunon mane sthai homadhan bangke theklongle.
During our visit, Tenkara Langso villagers have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by CEM Tuliram Ronghang and EM Amar Singh Tiso to issue immediate order for ground assessment and action on the matter to avoid unnecessary situations in the area. The villagers have urged upon EM Tiso to provide them land parcels in order to secure the border area.
Lapen adu hoy Nogong district non lapen West Karbi Anglong nilitum dak Tenkara Langso hawardet lapugali lasi jitu adu hoy long kidu tum ana bangke mane development ta kipi pon kapangwi krang lason si theklong lasi non nili kachuneri kang tum bangke dak nilitum Tenkara Langso dak katharong rong kimi lapen dak jungthung arong lapen dak tharong tokbiarong rong kimi ladak area bostame government hin pen pine kijun alang awar sai punoi towar punoi lapen kaprek sekati ki awar sai na system development asai nang deng punang ji posi nilihin pen chuningri punlo lapen labangso homoisa ke non het non rai kalilo ajirding o homoisa lo ladak nilitum lanon Nogong district lapen West Karbi Anglong dak Tenkara Langso la adu hoy homoisa postame lasi non abangke non la Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM lapen Land and Revenue IEM lapen ako MP MLA tum hanta nilitum karbilo chali asong hin pen lapen ako nilitum la tanpa pudo nilitum tengkera langso hawar nim pangri amai hin pen nilitum jasimet pet pen alang litum han pachini ke lahan lo lasi unti ke pra pen labangso dak adoy ho moisa bang tame nang litum dak adim nang humri pen lapen labangso homoisa bang isai homodan serai hansi nilihin pen Karbi Anglong kachari bom kadogo be alang thi phanta me nilihin pen pachini le
Wiki-based report from Dongkamokam, Karbi Anglong Live. Whether to blame the municipal board, the local public, or the pandemic, the Deephu River Beautification Project aimed at maintaining the hygiene of Deephu River has time and again failed to make any impact or real impression on ground. This can be seen from the fact that the Hai Long Park in the middle of Deephu town is under the thick overgrowth and grasses even after so much money has been sanctioned for its care. On Tuesday noon, Karbi Anglong Live visited the park to see the condition of the park at a time when people are not going there like normal times. To our surprise, it is written that the Deephu Municipal Board had not taken proper care of the park, which is now covered by thick bushes and creepers and have covered all the spaces meant for planting flowers. The river banks are also hidden by thickets, and it does not at all seem like the river is under a municipal area's domain. The inauguration stone erected near the iron bridge with names of people in power written on it now stands in the middle of creepers and bushes. The concrete pavement have developed, cracks and grasses have started to grow on them. The DMB's order of banning the throwing to garbage into the river has been totally ignored, and the heaps of garbage could be seen in the river. The river water is not able to flow freely, and if the dumping of the garbage does not stop, the water may stop flowing. On top of that, the scarce rainfall had led to the decrease of water level, and this had allowed the wild vegetations to claim more portions of the riverbed. At some portions, the river water could not be seen at all. Questions are now being raised on the role of DMB and failure to perform their duties and execute the work for betterment of the town. However, public have urged upon the DMB chairman, Rakro, to take immediate action to revive the beauty of the park and the river. In addition to this, it also meant it is now necessary to take strong actions on those who are still throwing domestic garbage and waste from their shops into the river. Civic sense should be instilled and prevail among people. Unless this happens, the administration will keep failing in every public work. Bikram Crow's report from Deephu, Karbi Anglong Live. Huge areas covering scores of villages have expressed their deep dismay over the lack of development due to the continued stepmotherly treatment of the successive governments towards the people of the area. Roads inside this constituency are more than 30 years old and therefore severely damaged. Our correspondent has sent us this report. While sharing about the problem of the area, locals of Sarihuti area told Karbi Anglong Live that the present government have been advocating for equal progress and development and have voted for them in the past elections. Residents of the area say that they had expected at least sand gravel would be provided for the road. But to their disappointment, nothing has been done to improve the condition of their lifeline road. During winter, they would somehow go to Borpung village through tracker and other pickup vehicles. But now, this only road has become unmotorable due to the rain the villagers told. Not only Borpung, but the road connecting Sarihuti and Warpro area becomes very risky for all people, and it is a complete no road for pregnant women to travel on vehicle, locals added. Further, locals told Karbi Anglong Live that they are left with no other alternative but to travel on foot to Sangki Langso Nilip Lamps to receive their rice, even if some may have two-wheelers due to the deplorable condition of the road. Locals also expressed their disappointment against local MSC for Bitra Rongpi for not being concerned with the issues and problems of their area. Following this, people of the area have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take up their issues and end their decades-long problem of road connectivity.
Leng puan kisung la kacileng arat tumpale lam the ni la pu Sarihuti pen kacileng arat tumpale lam the ni la pu ripona nang li pisi puji la so tuar nang tum ka chileng kwan reng me ba kwan sung la pen kisun e nang tum ka chipon ko puson la nang li tu puji ma
Litu mente kisu gun e ponta duk pig lo. Te har bujar ke dun long ta duk ik pig lo la si do war ke misena pite pulo.
tang de la so tuar ka hingno bad data la pen lang roi lang jing dolong ki wak pini son kuson la te
Dolong ke ba kai ha jalo nang buna pila moi pulo.
to la to war ki me pin na putha ko ka preka arong ka chileng ara tum phan lam the ni la pu arju tu na nang tu pisi puji la so to war ke hing no at lang bung lang plet nang tum pu ke chileng at ara do pik lang la sita la puan to war ke hing no sarkar sor phan nang tum ko pilo pui ke
Sokar so phani pu ke rani ni tum long ara phanta votar tami tum jok bom lo posi pahai bom lo posi la ni tum phanta to war bang ke nang pinangi posi ni tum ta gomen hin phanta me ke chuning ri dun ke la hando
enege nang tum kisun e la pen pine misen hu la pen logo chawli usmarta la so to war si dam logo
kala ilo la so to war se so martam anta ke dam ro la pen kisu ta me la posi ti pon bom lo cha chong pon bom lo la posi dam bom lo
tante nang tum non ki wang ke konat pen si ki wang iglo
ni tum ke dak magating sang to endun pen si ki wang to ke helape
blok
blok to ke helape
nda non ki pali ji ke
sari hoti nang tu rong ha rong a
yorolo
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihula for Karbing Long Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Live. Have a good day.